Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting dessert using a box mix. And today we are making a very controversial flavor, a no-bake candy corn cheesecake. So stick around while we make something boxed, but better. For the crust, we are using the graham cracker crumb package that comes with the box mix, as well as 5 tablespoons of melted butter and a half tablespoon of honey. Mix this together until the graham cracker crumbs have soaked up the honey and butter mixture. Pour your crust mixture into a 9-inch pie plate and press firmly along the bottom and sides to form your crust. Once that is done, we are going to refrigerate it while we make our filling. In a medium-sized bowl, add the package of no-bake cheesecake mix and a half cup of milk. Mix on medium to high speed for about 2 minutes or until your batter is well incorporated. It will be really thick and fluffy. Then set it to the side. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup of candy corn. Microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring every 20 seconds until it becomes melted. It cools quickly, so immediately add 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese icing, then microwave another 20 seconds. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix on medium speed until it is smooth and creamy. It's okay if there are still a few candy corn lumps in the batter. It will actually start to melt once it's exposed to the moisture for a prolonged period of time. Add your cheesecake batter to your candy corn mixture and mix again until well incorporated. The batter will become a light orange color, so if you would like a more bright and vibrant orange color for your cheesecake, now is the time to add some food coloring and mix it in the rest of the way. Remove your pie crust from the refrigerator and spoon in your cheesecake filling. Using your spatula, push the cheesecake out to the edges of the pie crust, and with a light touch, gently drag your spatula over the top to smooth it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you would like it to be more smooth on top, you can wet your spatula with a little bit of water and gently drag it across the top. The water keeps it from sticking to the spatula and will give it a much more smooth texture on top. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. For our candy corn inspired whipped cream, we are going to need 1 cup of heavy cream, half a tablespoon of instant vanilla pudding, half a tablespoon of honey, and 2/3 cups of marshmallow fluff. Mix on high speed until your whipped cream forms stiff peaks. Spoon your whipped cream on top of your no-bake cheesecake and spread it out with your spatula all the way to the edges. For a fun decorative touch, I am putting some candy corns randomly on top of my cheesecake. It is best to do this right before serving because the candy corn will melt if left overnight in the refrigerator due to the moisture from the whipped cream and the refrigerator. And there we have it, our delicious no-bake candy corn cheesecake. Thank you for joining me. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. I can do this. I can do this, I can do this. Does that look good? Yeah, okay. Ugh, can't wait to wash my hands.